this video tutorial, we will see how to print left side number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. You can see here, in this pattern, every line begins with space character. The space characters are gradually decreasing line by line in the range of 2 from 8 to 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. And those space characters are appended with number characters. The number characters are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. Here, I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5. Condition is false. And this while execution will fail here. So let's print the result. Print. You can see here, every line begins with space character. We are going to combine two spaces here. In the first line, there are 8 spaces. 4 minus I. 4 minus I is going to give us 8 space. Then 6, then 4, then 2, and 1. These space characters are appended with number space character. Here, I plus 1 plus single space I plus 1 is type of int. Concat it to avoid type error. In the first line, there is 1 1, then 2 2s, then 3 3s, then 4 4s, and 5 5s. For that, we are going to use I plus 1. So run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see this is our required left side number triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number left angle triangle pattern.